You think you know everything about our solar system? You don't. Because right now, tonight, there's something circling Earth that almost nobody knows about. We've always been told Earth has one moon, but scientists discovered something that changes that. A second one. Small, silent, and hiding in plain sight for centuries. Its name is Kamoa-Oliwa, and this is its story. In 2016, astronomers at the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii were doing what they do every night, scanning the sky, looking for things that don't belong. Then, one night, something moved. Something that shouldn't be there. A faint point of light drifting slowly across the starfield. They flagged it, studied it, tracked it, and what they found was unlike anything they expected. This object was orbiting the sun just like Earth. Same speed, same rhythm, but from Earth's perspective, it looked like it was dancing around us, never leaving, never captured, just following. Our moon is gravitationally captured. Earth owns it. It orbits us because it has no choice. Kamoa-Oliwa is different. It orbits the sun, not Earth, but its orbit is so perfectly synced with ours that from our perspective, it appears to circle us. It's not trapped. It just chooses to stay nearby for now. Scientists call this a co-orbital object, or a quasi-moon. Not a real moon, not just an asteroid. Something in between, a companion. Kamoa-Oliwa has been doing this for roughly 500 years, and it will keep doing it for another 300 or so before drifting away forever. In 2021, a team of astronomers decided to look more closely. They analyzed the light bouncing off Kamoa-Oliwa, its spectral signature, and what they found stopped them cold. The light reflected from this asteroid matched lunar rock, not regular asteroid rock, moon rock, the kind that only exists on our moon. Scientists have a theory. Billions of years ago, or maybe just millions, something enormous slammed into our moon. The impact was so violent that chunks of the moon were hurled into space. One of those chunks, one specific piece of our moon, never fell back. Instead, it drifted, caught in a strange gravitational dance between Earth and the sun. And it's been circling us ever since. Think about that. Our moon may have sent us a piece of itself, a fragment, a child, circling its parent planet for centuries, unseen, unnamed, unknown, until now. In 2025, China announced something that most of the world barely noticed, a mission to the one place almost nobody had ever heard of, Kamoa-Oliwa. The mission is called Tianwen-2. In Chinese, Tianwen means questions to heaven. And this mission has one very specific question. What exactly is Kamoa-Oliwa made of? The probe launched in May 2025. It will take years to reach its target, traveling across millions of kilometers of empty space to meet a rock the size of a city block that most people on Earth don't even know exists. Out there, completely alone. No air, no sound, no landmarks. A machine built by human hands is hunting our second moon. The plan? Land on the surface. Collect a sample of actual material from Kamoa-Oliwa, seal it in a return capsule, and bring it back to Earth. When those samples arrive, if the chemistry matches our moon, we won't just have a theory anymore. We'll have proof. Earth has two moons. It always has. Here's something worth sitting with. Every single night, your entire life, Kamoa-Oliwa has been up there, and you never knew. The reason nobody knows is simple. Kamoa-Oliwa is tiny, somewhere between 40 and 100 meters wide. That's smaller than most office buildings. In the vastness of space, it's almost nothing, almost invisible. It reflects almost no sunlight. You can only observe it clearly for a few weeks each year, every April, when it drifts closest to Earth. And even then, you need one of the most powerful telescopes on the planet just to see it. No naked eye, no binoculars, nothing. It took decades of increasingly powerful sky surveys and a dedicated team of researchers to even confirm it was really there. The universe doesn't advertise its secrets. You have to go looking. We've mapped galaxies billions of light years away. We've photographed black holes. We've landed on Mars. And yet our own second moon was sitting right here, unnoticed, for hundreds hundreds of years. That's not a failure of science. That's a reminder of how much there still is to find. So next time you look up at the moon, look a little further. Somewhere out there, circling quietly, is its child, waiting to be found.
There are things in this universe that exist, whether we know about them or not. Kamo Kilauea has been circling us through wars, revolutions, the rise and fall of civilizations. It didn't need our attention to keep showing up. That's the thing about space. It's patient in a way that humans will never be.
If this story changed how you see the sky tonight, that's exactly why I make these videos. Drop a comment and tell me what hit you most. I read every single one.
In about 300 years, Kamo Kilauea will drift away, pulled by gravity into a new path. Gone from our sky, maybe forever. But we found it first. And for a brief moment in the history of the universe, we knew it was there.
2 moons. We've always had 2 moons. We just didn't know. If you want more stories like this, things hiding in plain sight, right above our heads, subscribe, turn on notifications. I post every week. And share this one, because I promise whoever you send it to will look up tonight.